This OurTown Realty property video is presented by Tanya Lindsay. Welcome to Thornfield Place, located in Millbrook, AL, just minutes away from I-65. This well-maintained 3-bedroom, 2-bath home features a great split floor plan and will not be on the market for long. The kitchen offers lots of cabinets. All new appliances will be installed to include a refrigerator, stove, microwave, and dishwasher. The kitchen also offers new ceramic tile flooring to include the breakfast area and laundry room and new carpet in all 3 bedrooms. The formal dining room is accented with chair rails and laminate flooring located just off the kitchen. For casual dining, the breakfast area is the perfect spot. The great room has a fireplace with gas logs and laminate flooring. Master bathroom has a garden tub, double vanity, and separate shower and a walk-in closet. The laundry room is also equipped with cabinets for extra storage. This beautiful home has been freshly painted inside and outside. Outside, enjoy the privacy fenced backyard and beautifully landscaped front yard. This magnificent home also has a new roof. All appliances will covey with the property. Don't miss out on this beautiful home located near parks, schools, golf courses.